So our Kratky experiment was a giant failure, and I'll tell you why I think that was. So for my first batch of seedlings, I used sponges that I got on Temu. They looked identical to the AeroGarden sponges, so I figured I'd give them a try. But as you can see, these two seeds were started in the Temu sponges at the exact same time as these two, and these are in AeroGarden sponges. So that's a pretty dramatic difference. And most of our seeds that we planted in the Temu sponges sprouted and then almost immediately died. They grew zero root system. And I think it's because these sponges are so dense that I don't think the roots could penetrate that really dense material. And these AeroGarden sponges are so much lighter weight. They're super airy. They're really porous. So the roots could grow really easily in the AeroGarden sponges. And so I'm going to try this experiment again, and I'm going to only use the AeroGarden sponges, and we're going to see if things grow better. This is about 2 weeks of growth right here, and this is also about 2 weeks of growth. I actually started these the day after I started these. So we are going to update again probably in a week or two and see how things are growing this time. So it's been about 10 days since we planted our new seeds in the AeroGarden sponges, and I think we have some pretty definitive results. So this is what everything looks like now. And after 2 weeks of growth in the sponges from Temu, we had no root growth, and the seedlings only got probably about a centimeter or two high before they flopped over and died. So this is all looking really, really good, and I'll show you some of the roots that we've got in here. They've all got really nice root systems now, and I'm really happy with that. And this is about 10 days when we had no root growth after 2 weeks in the other sponges. So I think that is definitely proof that the right sponges make all the difference. And from here on out, I will only use AeroGarden brand sponges.